what I need is a police case number of my report of harassment from park gatekeepers and a sheriff that would not intervene, even though he was witnessing it. So my complaint, I'm going to file a police complaint about the sheriff. I need to know his badge number, I need to know all his details. I'm going to file a police complaint about him to the law enforcement department. So I need all the information that enables me to do that.
I can get this information over to my supervisor, and typically how it works is I give my information to my supervisor, and then they contact that officer's supervisor for you to be able to file that complaint.
Yeah, so I'm filing a police complaint, so they need to document this incident, because I will be filing a police complaint about this police officer's lack of intervention when I was calling for help. He just stood by and did nothing, and then he facilitated ongoing harassment by not intervening when they were being rude to me.